In this video, I want to look at how we create a miter flange in sheet metal. So first, in the front plane, I've sketched a line that's 18 inches long, and then to create my base flange, I extruded it 18 inches from the mid plane, so I have an 18 by 18 rectangle. I'm going to click on white space to clear that. And to create the miter flange, I need to sketch on one of the edges. So I'm going to zoom in here. I could sketch on this edge or this edge. It would depend if I only want it on one edge or if I want it all the way around. So if I just want the flange on this edge, I'll sketch on this face. So I'm going to activate sketch. I'll use my mouse gestures to activate line. And I'm going to create a line straight down, use mouse gestures to dimension it. And I'll make it 1/2 inch long. Just zoom out to fit the screen. My sketch is fully defined. I'm going to right click and exit the sketch. And with the sketch highlighted over here, I'm going to come up to the sheet metal ribbon and I'm going to select miter flange. Right away I'll get a preview here. I want to use the material outside the bend, and I'm going to fit the screen. I want to add this flange all around my part, so I'll keep selecting the other 3 edges. Let's zoom back in on this corner and have a look. So if I set the gap distance here to 0, I would want to turn on the trim the side bend so it trims the material out of the way. But I'm going to put the gap distance back to 50 thou so we can see what happens. Or if I put it to 10 thou, again we can see the gap, how that affects this bend here. So the gap is from the edge. I can also offset from this edge over. So if I put in 50 thou here, we can see the offset this way. And if I put in 50 thou here, we can see the offset from this edge this way. So we'll put these back to 0. And I'll accept that. I'll fit the geometry to the screen, and I've created a miter flange. If we flatten the pattern, we can see how it looks. And then we'll fold it back up and I'll save my work and continue.